welcome back DIYers. We are at Home Depot looking at another round of Black Friday deals, so let's go ahead and dive in. So to get us started, we look at this Stanley 25-foot power lock tape measure here for a pretty good price, and also this wood chisel set for only 10 bucks as well. Next, we have these touchscreen gloves right here. This is great if you're working and need to be able to touch something on your screen. It's only about 10 bucks. Then we have some flashlights. We have a few headlamps right here, and then we also have just the regular pack lights as well. All are just 10 bucks. These are great stocking stuffers or just to keep with you at all times. Next, we have the Husky headlamp, which is pretty nice. Has multicolors on it and also different settings right here. Has just the red and green and also the flashing. Also the regular light as well, both $10. This is a great pickup. If you're in the market for some blades for your 7.5-inch saw, these are some you could check out. Great price on these. You can go ahead and pick them up for around $6. Here is another deal on some Husky tape measures. Again, this is a 2-pack, only $14, which is super nice. Then also a level right here. Now this is plastic level, but it's also Husky brand, so it's going to work really well. And again, this is also at a good price as well for just under 10 bucks. Next, we have the DeWalt organizer. This is great for small items. Has a pretty shallow depth, but only $13. So again, great find, great pickup. This knee saver from Husky is also on sale. This is a great item just to help save your knees when you're working on those DIY projects. And another thing we have right here is this Defiant lantern, coming in at around $13. This is great if you're working at night or anything on your car. This is a great option. I feel like they're always putting out new deals, and these are some great deals right here on some handles. You can grab this Defiant brand or this one as well. Again, if any project around your house, this is a great time to pick up some of these. Here is another cool set, little stocking stuffer, a DeWalt knife and also utility knife. I think that's a great price for those. And then also a DeWalt screwdriver set as well. This is also a great time to pick up some gloves. They have all different types. This is the Firm Grip gloves for about 20 bucks. So you can save a little bit of money there. Also, here's the Gorilla Grip maximum gripping gloves. Again, another $20. Here's a little bit smaller pack of those, which is nice, only for about 10 bucks. And then lastly, we have these mechanic gloves right here. Again, this is another great pickup. If you need some gloves, probably go ahead and grab you some. And then I did find one more pair of Husky gloves over in the corner. Again, the 6 pair of gloves right here for around 10 bucks as well. Husky also has their ratchet set on sale for 10 bucks. Another item on sale is this rope. I've used it multiple times and has worked really well for me. Here's a good deal on some Ryobi driver and bit sets, only about $6. This is a great pickup. We also see this Husky rechargeable tripod light, only for about $50, so in case you need a light to work with. This Husky combo set is down to only about $300. If you're in need of a tool set, this is a great one to check out. Again, I think this is a great deal on this. My Home Depot had multiple colors of these in the back, so you can always check on that. I also had the larger Husky drawer set for about $800. Again, I think this is also a great deal if you're in need of one of these, and this is a great time to purchase one. If you're in the market for some clamp sets, you are in luck. They have these clamp sets on sale for $25. They also have the Stanley FatMax 25-foot tape measure. I actually have a few of these and they work really well. They're on sale for $25 for this pair. They also have this Husky magnetic screwdriver set on sale for 15 bucks. This is super helpful, you know, when you're working and you need to be able to get a screw that maybe is further away. You can always use this magnetic set, which is super nice. They also have this Husky ratcheting wrench set, which is only 49 bucks. I would be really interested to see how this works. I've actually never tried one of these. They also have this Husky pry bar set for about 30 bucks. These are super helpful in DIY projects when you're having to take something off the wall. Husky also has their hex adapter set right here for a good price as well, running you only about 8 bucks on these. Husky's also running the deal on their torque wrenches. You got the 1/2-inch torque wrench and also the 3/8-inch torque wrench. Again, both good deals. Husky's running a good deal, about 15 bucks for these pliers. I think these are a great pickup. I use these very often in DIY projects. Now on to some Milwaukee products. You can pick these gloves up for about 20 bucks for a pack of 6. Here's another Milwaukee set of gloves. You can pick these up for about 10 bucks for this pack of 3 gloves. These are the Milwaukee Pack Out cups. These are great. They come in 2 different sizes. They actually go on the top of the packs for Milwaukee. These are going to run you about 25 bucks for the little one and 30 bucks for the larger one. Next we have a 90-piece Milwaukee Impact driver set. This is again the Pack Out, which will also clip onto the Milwaukee set for about 50 bucks. Here are a few Milwaukee deals that I haven't covered yet with the Sawzall and the Light, and also the wet dry vac right here, and a bunch of other deals. Again, these are while supplies last, so you might want to check these out if you're interested in these at all. A lot of different options here in this section. It's definitely going to be a great option. And here's some Milwaukee Sawzall blades on sale as well. Here are a few other Milwaukee deals. These are great if you're looking for any tool like this. Most of these have already been picked up here at the Home Depot that I shop at. But again, these are great deals if you're looking for any of these items in the Milwaukee brand. They also have multiple deals on some of their respirators and also some of their knee savers. I think these are pretty good things to always keep on hand, whatever project you're working on. Then Milwaukee also have some headlamps and also some regular lights on sale as well. You can pick the headlamps up for about 25 bucks, and also the regular light come in a pack of 2 for about 30. Milwaukee also has some of their safety features on sale, and also with this, if you buy one of these accessories, you get this free hard hat right here. They have multiple different options you can choose from. They also have some safety glasses that go with these as well, so if you want to stick with the Milwaukee brand, you can grab all of your safety items that you might need right here in this section. Then they also have a few more other safety items. They have the combo right here with the vest and the safety goggles, and then also the demolition gloves as well, both on sale. Then they have one of my favorite items, again, the multifunction ratcheting screwdriver set. I think this again is something you should always keep on hand. Another great pickup right here is this Diablo blades. These things work really well. I've used these in multiple projects, and these have been some of the best blades I've ever used. Great price right here, only for about 30 bucks, and you get this large set. This Kreg jig is another great item. I found this at Lowe's on a good deal, and now I found it right here at Home Depot for a good deal. Only about 40 bucks for this complete set. Here's another cool set of items. These are great things just to keep on hand, or maybe even stocking stuff for some Gerber multi-tools here, and then also some knives. You also have this little cool set right here. Again, just the larger blade and the knife. I think again it's a lot of fun. And then also you have the knife and the little knit cap. They also have some of these Crescent tools on sale. They have just the needle nose pliers, also the regular pliers right here on sale for about $17. They also have some adjustable pliers right here, and also some adjustable wrenches, and both of these are on sale for about $17. Milwaukee also has some of their torpedo levels on sale for about $30, or you could also choose one of the larger I-beam levels as well. Milwaukee is also running a deal on some of their items. They got a few of these items right here in a little combo pack. You can get these for 20 bucks. If you buy 3, you can save 10, or if you buy 5, you can save 30. Some of these items include the tape measure, which is a great buy. Also the hammer. This is the T-square. Also, these fastback utility knives are great. I've used these and they've worked really well. And they also have some gloves in the deal and multiple other items they have listed on the top bar. Diablo is also selling a sanding disc pack of 50 assorted options right here for 20 bucks. You see Bosch has a few sales right here on their laser levels and then also their laser distance tool. These are both on a great deal, so if you're in need of these, you can go ahead and pick these up as well. And then we see another set of the ratcheting wrench sets right here for gear wrench. These are about 80 bucks. Then we have the ratchet and socket set here for another good deal of about $59. Here is another set of mechanic wrenches. This is 232 pieces for this gear wrench. Going to run you about $200 right here. So again, if you're looking for this brand, this is a great item and great time to buy this. So here's a 10-inch and also a 12-inch blade for your circular saw on sale. You can get either of these, one for $24 and then also one for $34. A couple more Milwaukee deals we have right here. We have the M12 tool set for around $100, then also the M12 Redline packs for about $80. And here is a little bit of Milwaukee's merch, from their knit caps to their hats and also their hoodie, all on sale. Here's a good deal on some Milwaukee copper tubing cutting set for about $40, and then also some adjustable wrenches from Milwaukee as well for about $25. Some good deals on some of the Milwaukee vacuum attachment kits. You have the kit right here, you also have the dust collector, and then also the long reach kit as well. Here's also a few deals that Milwaukee has on some of their larger items with their wet dry vac, also the light, this little cool pruning hatchet right here, and then also some of their nailers, and then also just some of their batteries. Good deal we see right here is on this Ryobi compound saw for $270. I actually have this saw and I like it a lot. It's worked really well for me. And we also have this other deal right here on this table saw for about $230. Here's another cool deal going on. This is the Milwaukee Pack Out. So if you're interested in buying some of these pack outs, you can see at the top right here that they are running some deals. So if you buy over $200, you get to save $50, and then if you buy $300, you get to save $90. So if you are going to buy some of these, you might as well just break them up into multiple transactions, and that'll probably help you save a little bit of money. Now we found a few deals on Ridgid here. We have some of the batteries for about $100, and also the dual port charger. And we also have this little multi-tool kit right here for the Ridgid. This is, again, is a great item to have any type of project you're doing at your house for $100. Then you also have this light kit as well. Another item I did not talk about in the first video, but I did see this, was this brad nailer right here for $170. And then they also have the round head framing nailer as well. Both of these are really good pickups for these items. Another good price right here is this shop vac for $60. I actually have this exact one. It's worked a long time, works really well for us. Highly recommend this. I want to go ahead and grab a couple packs of these filters as well. Another cool little find right here is this DeWalt drill bit set with the right angle attachment. I did see some of these at Lowe's, and so this is a pretty good deal here for Home Depot. If you're in the market for a DeWalt compound saw, they have these on sale for $400, so you can go ahead and pick one of these up. Makita has their vacuum kit on sale. Again, it's always great to have a vacuum kit on hand anytime you're doing DIY, because you're probably going to make a mess. Also found a good deal on these Husky aluminum floor jacks. Save a little bit of money, only about $160. I have an item very similar to this, and I use it all the time. I think this is something I recommend for everyone to keep in their shop or at their house. So I'm not sure if this is a Black Friday deal or just one at our Home Depot, but this little adjustable table is nice right here if you're looking for something to have in your workshop. Here's another cool little deal right here for an adjustable light for the Husky brand. This is, again, a great deal for just any stocking stuffer or just for a gift. And here's a few of the Makita options. We have the chainsaw, also the blower kit, and then also the brushless hammer drill and impact driver set. And if you purchase any of these, you get a free battery. Here are a few other good deals on their angle grinders. You also get this free charger starter pack as well. DeWalt is also selling their Tough System 2-pack right here that clips into the rest of their units for $100. Ridgid also has their tool set on sale, so you can purchase these for, again, a discounted price for each one. Ridgid also has their air compressor and combo set right here for $200. Ridgid also has their drill driver set for $79, and also the 8-volt hand vacuum kit on sale as well. If you're a Ridgid fan, you can grab some of these items at a pretty good discount. It has this multi-saw, also the reciprocating saw, the right angle drill, and then also it has a little brushless circular saw as well. Again, these are some great deals for the Ridgid brand. You can also save $50 here off of this Ridgid folding table saw. Here's another set of Milwaukee tools. If you buy 2 of these, you get this battery pack for free. So again, if you're interested in some Milwaukee tools, this is probably something you should check out. And here is the Ryobi brushless compound miter saw for $300. And right next to that on sale is the miter saw stand for $180. Another Ryobi item I see on sale is this Ryobi tool crate. Save about $10 on these, and they link together, which is pretty nice. Another great little find is this Gorilla ladder. This is a great little helpful thing around the house. 25 bucks, great item to go ahead and pick up. Another item on sale is this aluminum slim platform for 50 bucks. These are great for working on other projects all around your house. A couple items we have going on sale right here are some of these Husky air compressors. Again, these are some good things for some of your bigger jobs. Also found a few of these Ryobi cleaning items in the very back of the store, trying to hide from us, but here's a couple of the handheld brushless kit and also the extractor Swift Clean. Also found these Husky vehicle straps. Again, another great thing to keep in your truck at all times, on sale. Not going to go into a ton of details on these, but there's a bunch of great sales going on these appliances. So if you're interested in those, you can definitely go and check those out. One cool appliance that I did like is this washer and dryer combo. I think this is really cool. I've never seen one of these before, and I think that's a really cool and neat item to check out. Back to some of the tools. This is a cool little Handy Bright Ultra item. This is a great thing when you're working in your shop, and it's 19 bucks. It's also buy one get one free. Here's also a deal on those under cabinet lights. A couple more lighting deals. Here are a Beyond Bright Tower. This is for 70 bucks. You can use this again when you're working in your shop. There's another cool light on sale to help you get a little bit brighter in your garage or your shop. And if you want to get some lights and also some sounds, you can go ahead and pick up one of these as well. There's another good deal on some outdoor equipment for Ryobi. This is a great deal, down from 100 bucks only to about 70. So if you're interested in some type of weed eater, this is a great option to look into. I saw this deal right before I left. Make sure you check this out, $100 off a Traeger grill. Also, before you leave, make sure you always check out your clearance section in your Home Depot. You never know what they have in there. I picked up multiple tools out of this section, and they have worked great. Well, thanks so much for watching this video. Hopefully this was helpful for you, and if it was, you can let me know that. You can like and subscribe. You can also check out our Phase 1 deals right here on this video, and I'll see you over there.